Hello people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a day makeup, which is not too much, but before we continue, please hit the subscribe button down below. Now let's get started by first moisturizing the face, then powder the eyebrows. I'm using Davis number 3 eye pencil. Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn to clean under my eyebrows. On top, I'm using Girl Pro Matte Foundation in Cappuccino. Just brushing out my eyebrows using a spoolie. I'm using Girl Primer. Girl Pro Matte Foundation, and is the darkest shade. Using a damp beauty blender to blend in the foundation. And this is the darkest shade. Let me say it's one shade darker than how it looks on my face. It's because of the natural light I'm using. That's why it looks lighter. Then to my eyeshadow, starting by the Nubian 2 by Juvia's in Jezebel as the base. I'll just apply 2 cool colors, that is day friendly. Adding gold in the middle, and that is it. I won't put lashes on. As you can see, I just mascara them and I'm good to go. When it comes to highlighting, I just did a little under my eyes, as you can see. Then press it in. For my setting powder is from Beauty Creations, and I'll be brushing it out. I just contour powder, and I'm using Girl Press powder in the cocoa. Contour my nose a bit with the same powder. Blend everything in with a beauty blender. highlighter is from Miss Rose. Using natural light, you can see my face has changed. Each time the sun goes, my face will change the color. Then just a lip gloss for my lips. I'm done. It's like a no makeup, but it's makeup. Cool, not too much, just something for the day. You can check my work on Instagram at jenny.m. Thanks for stopping by my channel and watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel and like my video too. See you.